A new exclusive interview of Yagmur, Yüksel, and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. Actually, when they went to abroad for the interview, their interview was taken by international journalists who took the interview. Especially, they were so much happy during the whole interview and they were smiling continuously. So that shows that they were happy after visiting abroad. And Cannes festival was so much colorful that they were so much happy and delighted. So Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas were so much happy and delighted, and their new interview together has finally been shared on social media.